Okay, welcome to part 2 of dividing fractions. Do you remember what that little trick was? Uh, K, C, F. Not KFC, but KCF. Right? What are we going to do? We're going to keep, change, flip. Now, having mixed numbers makes that look kind of difficult. I want to convert this division problem of fractions into a multiplication problem. So first we must convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Remember, improper fractions are top-heavy fractions. Mixed numbers has this constant or whole number right in front of that fraction. So let's do that. Let's review that quick conversion. We'll practice keep, change, flip, and then we will multiply the fractions top to top and bottom to bottom. Let's take a look. So do you remember how to do this? Let's see. So in order to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, we take the denominator, multiply it times the constant, and then we add the numerator to the top number. So 3 times 3 is 9. Add 1 to 9. That gives me 10 over the original denominator of 3. I've written this out here, the steps here for you. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. And we add that 1, the top part of the numerator. 9 plus 1 is 10. Hey, we keep that same denominator. And we're going to keep the division symbol the same for now. After we've converted this other mixed number, then we'll perform the keep, change, flip. And then after that, it'll be a multiplication of fractions. You multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. So remember, in order to convert this to an improper fraction, we take the denominator, 5, times the constant. So 5 times 5 is 25. And then we're going to add the numerator, 2. So 25 plus 2 is 27. Remember, that denominator stays the same. It stays the same. Now we're ready to keep, change, and flip. So let's go ahead and take a look, see what that looks like here. Keep, change, and flip. Again, this is how we convert a division problem into a multiplication problem. And when we multiply fractions, remember, we're multiplying top to top and bottom to bottom. 10 times 5 is 50. 3 times 27 is 81. 81. Now we need to determine, can I reduce this fraction? Can this fraction be reduced? Is there a number I can divide into top and bottom evenly, the same number, that would give me a remainder of 0? So let's see. 2 into 25 is 25. I'm sorry, 2 into 50, 50 divided by 2, is 25. 81 divided by 2 leaves me a remainder, so I cannot use 2. Let's try 3. 3 will not divide evenly into 50. It'll leave me a remainder. So I'm not going to even try on the denominator. 4. Will 4 go into 50 evenly? No. How about 5? 5 will be divided into 50. 5 times 10 is 50. So 50 divided by 5 is 10. But 5 will not be divided evenly into 81. So you could keep on trying, keep on trying, keep on trying. I don't think you're going to find a number that would reduce that particular fraction. So steps 3, 4, and 5, multiply, reduce, and then convert back into a proper fraction or a mixed number. A mixed number. So I'm going to add that here. A mixed numbers, what we're going to do. And again, if you need review, I reviewed that in multiplying with fractions. I created an entire video on converting fractions. And so since this is not a top-heavy fraction, right? The top number is smaller than the bottom number, and it's totally reduced, it will stay a proper fraction. But if this was a top-heavy fraction, and let's just say the 81 was on top, the 50 was on the bottom, you'd want to convert it back to what's called a mixed number, with that, like what we started with in this particular problem. That way, you would have a correct fraction. But here, again, this is a proper fraction. The top number is smaller than the bottom number. Hey, I hope this version, part 2 of dividing fractions, was helpful. Hey, math is easy. Take it step by step.